Top 6. Best Impact Driver. However, when it's time to choose the right impact driver, there are many things to consider, and finding the right one for you can be quite a challenge. Well, no worries. In this video, we will present you the top 6 best impact driver on the market today, so if you're interested in what impact driver will work best for you, stay tuned. Number 6. DeWalt 20V Max Impact Driver Kit. Number 5. Triple Hammer Impact Driver Kit.
This is Hitachi's 18-volt lithium-ion brushless triple hammer impact driver, model WH18DBDL2. Any professional is sure to notice the remarkable speed, power, and overall comfort the first time they use it. The triple hammer technology increases driving speed, beats per minute, and torque, all while decreasing vibration. By incorporating a third anvil, as opposed to the standard 2 anvil system, this tool is able to achieve an astonishing 1,832 inch-pounds of torque and 4,000 maximum beats per minute. Additional features include a 4-mode speed selector. The 4-mode selector provides the user with the options of various speeds and power settings to match the application. The soft mode is designed for delicate work and tightening small diameter screws. Normal mode is for general applications like tightening short screws and affixing plasterboard. Power mode helps the user in heavy-duty applications such as tightening large screws and bolts. S mode or save mode is designed for tightening self-tapping screws into materials such as metal or hard plastics. The WH18DBDL2 tool body also carries an IP56 certification. The IP56 rating provides the tool a degree of protection against dust and water, which can result in extending the overall life of the tool. Hitachi's brushless motor technology delivers more runtime, increased power, and extended durability with essentially no maintenance. This impact driver comes with Hitachi's compact 3 amp-hour lithium-ion slide-type batteries. These batteries weigh less and are more compact in size than traditional 3 amp-hour lithium-ion batteries, while also providing fade-free power and protection from overcharge, over-discharge, and overload. It also features a white LED light, a battery power indicator, metal belt hook, a 1/4-inch keyless hex drive for easy bit replacements, and a responsive variable speed trigger. Hitachi's attention to detail can't be ignored with this ergonomic grip, lightweight and center balanced design. Along with the triple hammer impact driver, you get 2 compact 3 amp-hour slide-type batteries, a rapid charger with USB port, model UC18YSL3, and a storage case with an additional compartment to store accessories. Hitachi's WH18DBDL2 18-volt lithium-ion brushless triple hammer impact driver is covered by Hitachi's lifetime lithium-ion tool warranty, a 2-year lithium-ion battery warranty, and 1-year charger warranty. This unique tool delivers a lot in a small footprint and can tackle just about any application.
Number 4. Ingersoll Rand 1/2-inch 20V cordless impact wrench.
Rheal is all in. It doesn't cut corners or cut anything close to a little slack. Rheal is grease-stained, rust-covered, and frozen solid. It's not for the weak at heart or for the weak at all. Rheal is get it done now, not get it done whenever. Rheal is dedication, innovation, and perspiration. And at Ingersoll Rand, we get real. Rheal is what fuels our passion to create the very best tools on the market. Tools built to be smarter, safer, faster, and stronger. Tools that will always work as hard as you need them to so you can get the job done right. We make real tools for real work because that's what real life demands.
Number 3. Makita XDT14Z18V LXT Brushless 3-Speed Impact Driver.
Get more fastening speed and more precision in a compact size. Introducing the 18-volt LXT lithium-ion brushless quick shift mode 3-speed impact driver.
It's a high-end hotel, Local 10, Chicago. The compact size is very important when you're inside tight spaces, inside a cabinet. The light is great.
In tightening mode, or T mode, the impact driver automatically downshifts and reduces rotation and impact speed just prior to driving the screw into place.
Yeah, tightening mode, I'm going to use that all the time. Too often do heads get stripped out. It's good for the tool.
Using the 3 speeds, we use it all the time. We're constantly changing for different applications.
Fantastic. Lots of speed for drilling through different material.
The XDT-14Z is also equipped with star protection, communication technology between the tool and battery that protects against overload, over-discharge, and overheating. It's compatible with Makita 18-volt lithium-ion batteries with the fastest charge times in their categories. Makita lithium-ion tools, batteries, and chargers are backed by a 3-year limited warranty.
The 5 amp hour is awesome. Runtime is great. It's lighter than the other batteries I have. Yes, it's a great cordless. I would never go back to a corded tool.
It's part of the Makita 18-volt series, the world's largest 18-volt lithium-ion cordless tool lineup. One LXT system compatible with over 150 solutions.
I would absolutely recommend it to anybody, my friends, neighbors, workmates, anybody.
Number 2. Porter Cable 20 VMAX Impact Driver Kit.
Scott Adams, company name is Adams & Son Construction. We've been around for 39 years. Mostly we do customized additions. You got a set of drawings, we show up and build it. From my kitchen cabinet side of it, it's great because there's a lot of times where you're in a 9 or a 12-inch cabinet joining them together, and the shortness across the top allows me to get my trim screws in and don't have to use an angle attachment, holding an angle attachment and the drill and everything. It really works out well in my kitchen cabinet work. We've gone all day on one battery to where my other ones I would have to change out 2 or 3 times. It has given us everything we've asked it to do.
Number 1. Bosch 25618-02 18-volt lithium-ion 1/4 hex impact driver.
Bosch 18-volt lithium-ion power tools. Consistently the longest running, lightest weight, most compact, most powerful 18-volt tools on the market, with unmatched durability and superior ergonomics and design. New Bosch Coolpack batteries are designed to reduce heat buildup. These high-efficient battery packs stay cooler and live longer, featuring an integrated fuel gauge and superior cold weather performance. Slim pack for lightweight, or fat pack for maximum runtime. Every battery works with every tool. Power to get it done. Tough as nails. Never lets you down. 18-volt lithium-ion power tools. Bosch. Invented for life.
Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you like this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.